Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide your gender on Facebook using your PC. Follow these simple steps to maintain your privacy. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, find the pen icon next to the Current Gender section. Click on it to edit your gender settings. Step 5. Uncheck the option that says, Show on my timeline. This will ensure that your gender is not displayed publicly on your profile. Step 6. Finally, click on Save to save the changes you made to your gender settings. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your gender on Facebook using your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.